Alright, so I have some dough that's rising. It has red onions, turmeric, and garlic. I'm gonna roll it out and then put this Hatch chili cheese on it. Should be good. Alright, nice and rolled out. Cheese looks good. Nice. Okay, they're all rolled up looking good, huh? Looks kind of like coconut when I shave the cheese. Wee, pretty. Oh, so pretty. So pretty and witty and pretty. The color is amazing. Whenever you add turmeric to something, it just really brightens it up. The smell is fantastic. The garlic, the onion, the cheese. Let these cool down, and then we shall taste them. Absolutely amazing. Woo! That's good, man. You could have these like on a barbecue. Like I want some barbecue ribs right now. This is good. That Hatch chili was nice. Mashaallah. Very good. And these are something I just made on the fly. Look at that. Alhamdulillah. The melted cheese between the layers is just phenomenal.